Okay, hello guys, we are now at the Stone Kingdom here. So this is another tourist destination. So this is the entrance gate right now. So we're going up. Just exploring this. This is now the tourist, tourist Stone Kingdom. Tayo ka doon. Aban niya, pagbabalik natin, pa-picture tayo dyan.
Kasi tayo dito.
Magpa-ano tayo mamaya. Pag
Tayo dito.
alis natin, pagbalik natin. Okay.
Ayan ang hindi kita.
So, alis na siya. Kasi may mag-picture. Hello. Pasok tayo dito. O hindi ka magkalabas pag hindi ka papasok dito. Ayan, malaki pala ito dito. Oh, amazing. Look at that. Oo. Maganda talaga. It's awesome. Oo, nandun. Papunta ka pa sa itaas. It's awesome. Look at that one.
Tayo ka lang doon. Ano ba nang nakasuot? Oo. Ayun, for...
Okay. This is a remarkable tourist destination. Okay. I have to cut this video for a while. We'll do some selfie.